हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम एक्सरसाइज 6.2 स्टार्ट करते हैं। उससे पहले कुछ बेसिक्स क्लियर कर लेते हैं। If two parallel lines are there and a third line intersect these two parallel lines, then there are few angles. This angle is equals to this angle. This is called as corresponding angles. This angle is equals to this angle, यानी angle 1 is equals to angle 2, corresponding angles. This angle number 3 is equals to angle number 4. Angle number 3 is equals to angle number 4. Angle number this 5 is equals to angle number this 6. Angle number 5 is equals to angle number 6. This angle number 7 is equals to angle number 8. This angle number 7 is equals to angle number 8. So these angles are called as corresponding angles. Last time we have discussed vertically opposite angles. Short form we should write it as VOA. If two parallel lines are there, again a third line intersect these two lines. So this angle is equals to this angle. This is 2 and this is 7. Angle same angle. So angle 2 is equals to angle 7, vertically opposite angle. This angle 3 is angle 5. Angle 3 is equals to angle 5. That are vertically opposite angle. And this angle 6 is equals to angle 4. Angle 6 is equals to angle 4. That is also vertically opposite angle. Angle 8 is equals to angle 1. Angle 8 is equals to angle 1. So these all are vertically opposite angles. Next, alternate interior opposite angles. Again, two parallel lines are there. This alternate angles means if we are talking about interior opposite angles, that means this angle is equals to this angle. This angle is 5 and this angle is 4. Angle 4 is equals to angle 5. दोनों लाइंस के बीच में, between the two parallel lines, ये दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल हैं, इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में होना चाहिए. And alternate, these are the alternate interior opposite angles. Alternate means one on the right side, one on the left side. That is 4 is equals to 5. Another is this angle is 7 and this angle is 1. So angle 7 is equals to angle. These are alternate interior opposite angles. Next is alternate interior exterior opposite angles. Again, two parallel lines are there. Now, in this, if two parallel lines are there and third line intersected, these two are the parallel lines. Now, alternate, these are the exterior angles. These are the interior. Interior angles means all the angles are between these two lines. Exterior means all the angles are outside these two lines. Outside means this angle 3 is equals to angle this 6. Angle 3 is equals to angle 6. Now next one is this angle is 8 and this angle is 2. Angle 8 is equals to angle. So these are corresponding angles. ये लाइन से ऊपर, ये भी लाइन से ऊपर, एंगल 1 एंगल 2 इक्वल दीज टू, एंगल 4 is equals to angle 3, angle 7 is equals to angle 8, angle 5 6. So these are the corresponding angles. Vertically opposite angle 3 5 equal, 7 2 equal, 4 6 equal, 1 8 equal. Alternate interior angles. Interior means all the angles are present between these two lines. दोनों lines के बीच में. One on the right side, one another on the left side. So 1 is equals to 7 and 4 is equals to 5. Alternate exterior angles means angles are outside these two parallel lines. One is 3 6 and other is 2 and 8. Now let's see the questions. Question number first. These draw the figure. So it is given this his angle is 50 degree. This one is B, this one is A, this one is C, and this angle is 130 degree, and this side line is, and this angle is Y, and this angle is X. So question is find the value of X and Y and then show that AB parallel to CD. So we have to find X and Y. Second part, to prove what we have to prove, that AB is parallel to CD. So under the parallel condition it is clear that कि अगर AB CD के पैरेलल प्रूव करना है, दैट मीन्स कोरोस्पोंडिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे और ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे. So in this 50 and X is a straight line. So by a straight line, X plus 50 is equals to 180 degree. So X is equals to 180 minus 50, X is equals to 130 degree. First one we have find that X is 130. Now Y and 130, these are vertically opposite angle. By vertically opposite angle VOA, Y is equals to 130. Y हमारे पास 130 आ गया. Now see, angle X and angle Y, these are alternate interior, दोनों लाइंस के बीच में है और alternate interior angles है. If alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel. अगर alternate angles equal हो जाते हैं, that means lines are parallel. So as X is equals to Y equals to 130 degree. X भी हमारा, Y दोनों 130 डिग्री. X and Y अगर दोनों 130 डिग्री हैं और दोनों equal हैं, that means therefore AB parallel to CD. Hence proof. Take a screenshot. Come on the next one. There are three lines in figure. First, second and third. AB, next one is CD, next one is EF, and a line third intersect these three lines. It is given that AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF and y ratio z is equals to 3 ratio 7. And what we have to find? We have to find x. This one is x and this one is y and this one is z. Let's see. In the question, ratio is there. I have tell you that if a ratio question is there, that means we have to take it as x. यहाँ पर हम ले लेते हैं y equals to 3a. x क्यों नहीं लिया? क्योंकि x ऑलरेडी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, इसमें x लिया हुआ है. So y को हम ले लेते हैं 3a रेशियो के लिए and z को हम ले लेते हैं 7a. We have the value. Yes, if this is y, then this is also y. Corresponding angles are equal. ये भी y होगा, ये भी y होगा, और इसके ऊपर ये भी y होगा. So y and z means that are equals to 180 degree. So by straight line EF is a straight line. That means z plus y is equals to 180 degree. Z is 7a and y is 3a is equals to 180 degree. That is 10a is equals to 180 degree and a is equals to 180 by 10 is equals to 18 degree. So we have a is equals to 18 degree. Now y is equals to 3a and is equals to 3 into 18. Z equals to 7a and is equals to 7 into 18. You have to find it. Again, now this is a straight line. X plus y is equals to 180 degree by straight line. यहाँ भी straight line है. X plus y क्या होगा? 180 degree. तो हम लिख सकते हैं y की वैल्यू यहाँ से जो भी निकलेगी कितना निकलेगी? 54. So put it over here. So x plus 54 is equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 minus 54. X equals to how much? That is 6, 7, 126. So that is our answer. Take a screenshot. Then we come to the next question. Next one is, these are the two parallel lines. This angle is 90 degree. This is C, this is D, this is E, this one is B, F and A, and this side is G. So it is given. What is given? We should write it as, if AB parallel to CD, if this AB is parallel to CD, and this, that means these two lines are parallel. EF is perpendicular to CD. This EF is perpendicular to CD, that is 90 degree. It is given. Next is angle GED, angle GE and D. This whole angle is 126 degrees. Next is find what we have to find. We have to find angle AGE, angle GEF, angle FGE. So AGE, this one, GEF, we have to find this one. FG, FGE, we have to find. You should write it as X, Y and Z. AGE. This one is Y. Let this one is GEF. GEF is X, and this one is Z. We have taken it as XYZ. And solution. This whole is 126 degrees, and this small angle is 90 degree. So X plus FED. X plus FED angle is equals to 126 degrees from here. So X plus FED, that is 90 degree. 90 degree equals to 126. So X equals to 126 minus 90. X equals to 36. So first angle we have find. If this is 90, then this one is also 90. Alternate angles are equal. So by alternate angle property, angle AFE is equals to 90. This angle is also 90. So now X is equals to, we should write it as here, X is equals to 36. X 36 है, ये 90 है. Triangle sum of angle is equals to 180. Triangle के तीनों angles का sum कितना होता है? 180 degree. This one is X, this one is Z, plus this one is 90 is equals to 180. X की value is 36 plus Z plus 90 equals to 180. Now final value is Z is equals to 180 minus 126. So Z is equals to 54. Now X is equals to this. Z is equals to 54 degree. Next by straight line. यहाँ पर कौन सा लो लगाएंगे? स्ट्रेट लाइन. स्ट्रेट लाइन के लिए क्या होता है? Y plus Z is equals to 180 degree. Now Z, value of Z is 54. So 54 is equals to 180. Y is equals to 180 minus 54. So Y is equals to 126. So X, Y, Z. We have find all three angles. Try question number 4 by yourself. Come on the question number 5. Question number 5 is, if this is a triangle, this is P, this one is A, B, C, Q, R, and last one is D. This angle is 127 degrees. This angle is 50 degrees. And this one is X, this one is Y. So that is given. Find X and Y. So we have to find X and Y. क्वेश्चन अब यहीं पर सॉल्व करते हैं डायग्राम में कि हम क्वेश्चन को कैसे कर सकते हैं. सी, अगर ये पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, दिस इज पैरेलल टू दिस. पैरेलल लाइंस मींस अल्टरनेट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. अगर इसको लें तो दिस एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू दिस एंगल. सो बाय अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, alternate interior angles कह सकते हैं. This angle is 127, this whole angle is 127. APR, angle APR is equals to 127 degrees. अगर एंगल APR ये पूरा एंगल 127 है, तो ये y plus 50, that means y plus 50 is equals to 127 degrees. So y is equals to 127 minus 50. So y is 77 degrees. y हमारे पास 77 डिग्रीज आ गया. नेक्स्ट इज देखते हैं, ये हमारा फाइंड हो गया. y लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पर, y is equals to 77 degrees. If this is 27, that is a straight line. This is a straight line. So by straight line property, कौन सी straight line? CD. By straight line CD, angle this angle को हम लिख लेते हैं m. Angle m plus 127 degree equals to 180 degree. Angle m equals to 180 minus 127. Angle m is equals to कितना आएगा? एंगल m की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? That is 53 degrees. So that is 53 degrees. M की वैल्यू. The triangle sum of angle is equals to 180 degree. So y plus x plus m is equals to 180 degree. So y is 77, x plus m is 53 is equals to 180 degree. X is equals to 180 माइनस इन दोनों को ऐड कर दें, कितना आएगा? 130. X equals to 50. So that is our answer. So that is all for this class. We'll continue tomorrow.